If you're like me, in the mornings you're rushing to get ready, and sometimes it's hard to find something to have for breakfast. That's why I want to introduce this quick, healthy meal that you can prepare the night before to have for breakfast the next morning. So I'm just using some fresh fruit. I chose strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and pineapple. I'm going to add some quinoa, some fresh basil, a squeeze of lime, and some honey. And I'm going to mix it all together. You can use honey or you can use maple syrup, but use the organic maple syrup. So let's put this all together. So this is the finished product. It's garnished with a slice of lime. I added quinoa. You could add oatmeal, you can add nuts, you can add granola. The quinoa just gives it extra depth and also adds protein to it. So this is going to go in the fridge overnight and be ready for me in the morning. This is going to make your morning very special. Trust me, I'm Dr. Ron.